Hi! Rulex Community is live! Are you stuck on a task or need some flow building ideas? Come on the discussion forums and write a post. Maybe another member has the answer, or a Rulexer can step in and get you unstuck. Have you got 5 minutes to read a tech article written by one of our experts? Jump over to news and see if anything takes your fancy. Do you want to download the Rulex Platform trial? Here in Resources, you can get the latest version of the software, along with sample kits with pre-built business solutions based on real-life scenarios. Have you just installed Rulex Platform? Go to the Learn tab and check one of the free Getting Started courses or videos. If you need a license or want to join our Rulex Academy training program, pop over to the store. But really, the most important part is that you will have the chance to connect with other Rulex users. So, what's left to say? Welcome to Rulex Community.